I am about to play a video with audio. Please just watch it, and then once it finishes, I will tell you all about it. So this video was created by Darshan Rajguru, who is based in India, I believe, and he created this video for his online store, which is Baked Lesson. And I believe that he sells some cool superhero collection plus lot of other things on his website. So I'm just giving this intro to his website as a goodwill gesture because I used his video in my this video. I have no affiliation with this website, by the way. Anyway, coming back to the point, the reason why I shared this cool video is that he created this brand video for his store, as I mentioned, bakelesson.in, and all of the music and the graphics are AI generated. Nothing is real. And you can see the quality of audio and video and attention to detail as how cool was it. And Darshan used Runway ML Gen 2 for this purpose. I'm really very impressed by the quality of the video and how it all played out. I will also try to get more info from Darshan on this, but I just couldn't resist myself sharing this because I believe this is the future of content generation and also the marketing of the website and all the other media in the future where people will be using generative AI using different tools. Uh, I mean, it shouldn't be only a Runway ML, but a lot of other tools are available and evolving, and people will be using these tools to create their brand videos. I hope that you also enjoyed it. I will be posting more and more videos on this cool innovation from generative AI. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel and hats off to Darshan for this awesome video. Thank you.